Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. If your Microsoft Excel is not opening, or if your Microsoft Excel is not responding, or not starting, or giving you errors, any kind of Microsoft Excel issues is there, we will be fixing it by only 3 simple steps. Please make sure you watch the whole tutorial and do the steps in a sequence wise so that it becomes effective. So the very first step here is to do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. This will work on Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7 as well. So once you have do a right click and went to settings, you will see a window like this, and we need to go to this apps. Here in apps, we need to go to this installed apps section where all the apps are installed, and here you will have a list of all the apps which is installed on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer or a laptop. So I'll scroll down and I'll look for Microsoft Office. In your computer, you might be using a different version of Microsoft Office. I'm using the home and student one, so I will just click on the 3 dots next to it. So it will work on all versions, okay? So I'll click on this 3 dots and we need to click on this modify. So I have just clicked on modify and it will ask you to say yes. And the moment you click on yes, it will give you an option. How would you like to repair your Office program? So to fix the Microsoft Excel, we will do the quick repair. So it fixes most issues quickly without the need of an internet connection. So we need to click on repair. Now this might take 5-7 minutes or 10 minutes, depends on the computer and depends on the file as well. So this will not, it will only fix the computer as well as the Excel. Once this is done, you need to restart the computer and then try to open your Microsoft Excel. If that doesn't work, then come back here and select the online repair. Now, fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. You can select this option if you're still having problems after a quick repair. So this online repair will take time. Yes, depends on your internet connection as well, and you just need to click on repair. Once this is done, I would highly recommend to restart the computer first and then try to open your Microsoft Excel. So for most of us, this will fix the Microsoft Excel starting, not responding, or Microsoft Excel is if it's giving you any error, it will fix that problem. But let's say if that doesn't, then I will recommend the third step, where you just need to click on the search icon and type CMD and then run as administrator. Please make sure that you only click on run as administrator and it will open up the command prompt for you. It will also ask you to say yes, and a new window will appear like this, and here you need to type sfc/scan now. I will maximize it so that you can type it. Once you have typed it, you need to hit enter, and this will start the whole computer scan, and this will fix the problems. If your computer has some problems, this will fix the issue, and then you just need to restart the computer, and this will fix the issue for Microsoft Excel or any other product of Microsoft if you're using. All right, and this will also enhance the speed and performance of your computer. So this is a good practice to do, and let the verification complete, let the scan complete, and then restart the computer. I hope, and guys, if this tutorial has helped you, please leave a comment because that really motivates me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Please hit the like button, and please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.